Hello everyone. So if you have got any issues with your mouse, doesn't matter whether you are using cordless or the wired mouse. So if you are having any issues like double click or right click issues, when you click a single time it is double clicking, or you are clicking left and it is doing the action of right click and vice versa. So these are actually not the problems. Generally people what people do, they purchase a new mouse for that, but you do not have to do that. In mouse there are very few things that can go bad, so in most of the cases these mouses can be repaired, and you can just use a 1 minute practice to fix your mouse. So I'll show you how you can do that. Let's open it. Here's the single screw that you have to open, and your mouse will be open then. We open it. So we have now opened a mouse. As you can see, there is nothing, there is only one wheel and this simple circuit. What actually happens, this is the cable that is connected. So if you are using wireless, even then there is no change, it's just a cable. So what is important here, when you click a single and single left click, this key is pressed, and when you click right click, this is the right click key, and this is the wheel. When you scroll it, the wheel is pressed. So if you are doing a single click and it shows double click, or if you are unable to do a double click, all those such problems, there is only simple one solution. I have a gas based deodorant or body spray, whatever you use. I use the cheapest one. So whatever the cheapest one gas based spray is there, you can use it to clean all these things. So how you will be doing it, let's see. What you have to do, just spray on it and give it a like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 on all these keys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we are clicking all these keys, and one more shot, and let's do it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and let it dry for 5 minutes, and let's wait for 5 minutes and then we'll clean it again. So let's see. So we can see the dirt here. Let's do one more time. Now we'll dry it up and we'll clean it. Now let's close it back. This is the frame. Make sure you do not break the clips here. So let's do it. So it is now done. Let's do it one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And now close the screw back. And now give it a try, and your mouse is ready to use again. Now let's give it a try on real computer. Let's see if it works well. So it is now doing really well. Right click, left click, single click, everything is going really well. Okay, thanks for watching. If it solved your problem, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.